What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to turn on or turn off auto factory reset in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, click on secure lock settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. Now here click on auto factory reset button to turn it on or off. So if you want to turn on auto factory reset, then turn on this button, and if you want to turn off the auto factory reset, then tap on this button again to turn it back off. So with this button you can turn on or turn off auto factory reset in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.